Making its triumphant landing on the battlegrounds is the armored amphibious BRDM-2, replacing the armored UAZ as a flare gun vehicle. This squad carrier delivers you to the fight by land or by sea, barging its way into any combat scenario. The troop transport's armored shell reduces bullet damage received, and the vehicle boasts double the HP of the UAZ. The massive tires on this naval station wagon are completely bulletproof, so ride into battle without fear of a blowout. And its integrated propeller allows it to navigate the water at up to 22 kilometers per hour. With danger lurking around every corner, you'll have the peace of mind that your squad is protected, as you'll never have to switch vehicles and put your team at risk due to terrain. Easily crash through enemy blockades and foil those carefully laid ambushes. Or avoid them altogether by taking the road less traveled. Chart a course over open waterways and navigate your battle barge into the fight from unexpected routes. It's your choice. You're the captain now. Unfortunately, your cozy armored carpool doesn't allow for return fire while inside its airtight and bullet-resistant cabin. It also accelerates pretty slowly, and while durable, it isn't indestructible and will eventually succumb to enemy fire. Still, the BRDM is the safest way to transport your squad, so pack those flippy floppies, because this battleship is out to sink some dreams.
We'll be right back.